how to connect your Whoop to your iPhone. So I'm going to show you two different ways on how to connect your Whoop to your iPhone. So first thing we need to do is just come over to the iPhone and you need to make sure you have the Whoop app already installed. So if you don't have this already, you can just load up the App Store. You could then search for the word Whoop and you can download the official Whoop app. Now, if this is your first time setting up your Whoop device, you'll just need to go through the steps on the Whoop app to create an account. Now, once you've gone through the steps on the Whoop app, you can then head over to the band. Now, there's two ways to go and connect to the Whoop device. So the first method, if this is your first time connecting your device, you can simply grab the charging pack and you can go and place it onto the Whoop like so. You can then simply place the Whoop on your wrist. You can then head back over to the Whoop app. And as long as you're on this connected device page, you should be able to see the device from the list. Now, if you've already set up the Whoop app and you've already connected this device in the past, then you'll need to go and do something else instead. So what we can do is just go and remove the watch from our wrist, and then you can just go and repeatedly tap the sensor at the back of the Whoop. Now, as soon as you see this blue light, it indicates that it's now in pairing mode. So what you can do is come over to the Whoop app. You can then click on More in the bottom right hand side, click on Device Settings, and if you haven't already paired your device, you should be able to go and select your Whoop from this window here. So those are two different ways on how to connect your Whoop to your iPhone.